Hey everyone, Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this garden hose reel. This is 65 feet. As you can see, you simply pull it out and it stays in place. Then pull quickly and it retracts like that. It's got this nice handle on top for easy moving it around. And then I simply attach to these bolts here to the wall. It comes with drywall hooks in case you don't have solid wood. And this is super sturdy now, and this thing pivots around on that, and then you can put any extra hose. Say you take this off here, you want to put a different hose in this faucet, you can put the other hose on this and just keep it out of the way. So this thing works super nicely, no leaks around the top. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and you've got all the different modes here. I like the full mode the best. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Overall, highly recommend that you get this.